Garmin approach G30 disassembly. So to take the screen off, you need to use a hot gun station or a blow dryer to preheat the glass. So just preheat the glass a bit all around. Yeah. And after, just use a spatula or a pry tool, lift the screen and try to lift the screen gently. So after you lift the screen, open it like a book. Just be careful of these two ribbons. You have two clips underneath. One of them will lift up on this side, so, and you'll slide out. And the other one will lift opposite way and slide it out. If you want to change the battery, you have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now you can lift the board and you can disconnect the battery, just lifting up the connector. Okay. Now you can see the battery. You can reach to the charging connector if you need to replace it, or the power button. So this is how you disassemble this unit. This device is similar to Garmin Edge 820. I think they use the same screen. Okay.